Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X5 LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to start by installing your new default apps. I will go with Opera mini browser, then go into devices settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then select Default Apps under App Management and tap on one of those options. For example, I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it, choose Opera Mini, and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!